Hello everyone. Welcome to today's live stream. Like quick disclaimer, nothing you see here is a financial advice, of course. I'm just sharing how I trade the markets in real time, and you are responsible for your own decisions. Hello, Emmanuel. The CPI is in 1 hour, so I think we will have plenty of time to enter a trade before the CPI. And yeah, so and now I was looking into gold. So this was the start of the day with the big gap to the downside, and yeah, we pushed upwards, then did a pullback, then we are, I think, in this range right here. So nothing interesting in the price action. We have exactly this zone here for support, and this zone, I believe, for resistance. So I was looking into an entry right here, but the price didn't came to the EMA, so I didn't enter. And yeah, if the price comes to the EMA here, I will enter here for a long position and keep an eye on the price. If it touches this level and reject it or something, I will think about selling it, of course, before the news, not in the news. So this is the plan for the day. And like I told you yesterday, let me check the account, where the account is. So we are minus 2,600. Open PNL account history. Let's check this week from the 9th until today. I'm up 12,000. Great. So I took some trades on my account that I didn't share on premium, especially yesterday. I think I took 2 losses. And yeah, what do you think, guys? I will go take a look on premium. So this is my premium telegram. This week has started on the 9th, I believe. Yeah, 9th. Yes, on the 9th. Let's count together. So 30 pips GBPJPY plus 50 plus 50, this one and this one plus 100 plus 150. This is a stop loss. The stop loss is always 70 pips, and since I entered the trade 3 times and I count TP1 and TP2, that means I need to count the TP3, the stop loss, sorry, times 3. So that's minus 210. That's 70 times 3 minus another 210. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 120 plus 200. So 150 plus 50. So this one, 100 plus 200 plus 200, that's 500 plus 500 minus 3 times minus 210, minus 210 and minus 210 plus 130 plus how much we have here, 150, 180, 380, 410 and 440. This is 440 and plus 100 minus 210 plus 60 minus 210 plus 30, and let's see, we are up 490 pips this week. This is not a great week and not a bad week. This is a normal week, and it's like you see 100% transparent, showing you the telegram and everything. So if you have any questions, just let me know. And yeah, let's wait for a good entry on gold. So it usually moves so slow, and this time I'm just waiting for an entry. The optimal entry will be somewhere here. So price will come to this EMA, which intersect with this mini level. Then we can buy it to go up. So, and please don't let the chat die. Ask me your questions, and if you have anything to say, just let me know. So my entry will be somewhere at 64 or 63, somewhere here. So this is my plan for the day. And I think, let me put my Mac. Yeah, because it will almost die. And let me write, so access my free Telegram here on pin it. So let's see now what will happen, because the price is so slow. And yeah, sometimes in premium. And so what the premium means, so the premium means that I share every single trade I take on my own account, which is this one, which is a real account, of course, on my Telegram. So if we check this last 30 days, I'm up 57,000. So yeah, from the 14th of January until today, so the last 30 days, if we see the last 3 months, so I'm up 175. So what premium means, it means that I share every single trade I take on premium, and you can take it with me. So sometimes I have some losses right here. So this one, yeah, I didn't share in premium because last week gold price was insane, so I had to have bigger stop losses. And yeah, but overall 90% of my trades happen in premium, especially the forex trades, because yeah, because forex pairs are the best, I think, for the mindset. Because yeah, this trade, it was shared yesterday. Yeah, I have many trades. This one, I'm in small drawdown. It was shared, I think, in Thursday, yesterday. And this one was shared today. I'm not allowed to show it. This one was shared yesterday, and this one was shared last week. No, not last week, yesterday. So, and I'm still in a small drawdown, but usually price do something like this. So based on my results, so the price is at 68. I want it to go down to 62 or 63, so I can have an entry. Although if you can see, we printed here a lower high. So this is a high, this is a lower high. So I will keep an eye on the price, then decide what I will do. So we are printing also lower lows. Maybe, yeah, maybe the price will do something like this. We'll keep an eye on the price, then decide. But since the price is above the EMA, I cannot sell. No, I need to see it, yeah, reject this EMA to buy, or break this EMA, do a small retest to sell. Simple as that. Trading doesn't need to be too complicated. You don't need to have the chart full of annotations, full of nonsense, full of indicators. Like you see here, I don't use any indicator. This is just an EMA and a fixed EMA. That means this EMA, this is the 4-hour EMA, this is the 2-hour, this is the 1 hour, and this is the 1 minute EMA. So fixed EMA help me sometimes, like here for example, here, yeah. I don't rely 100% on it, but it's a nice tool. So we are going down, and yeah, I see some rejection happening. Let's see, maybe I will enter at 66, yeah, or 64. Need to wait more. And like I told you, if you have any questions, just let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified once I go live every day. So let me check this. The price now is at 66. Let me see if we can see a clear rejection. Yeah, the price is still rejecting. So, and I don't encourage anyone to copy trade me. This is, trading gold is extremely risky with small capitals. So please do not copy trade me. So let me see, we are at 65 now. Because the trading view is always laggy, that's why I open the MT4 and see. Yeah, I still see some rejection here, so I will go at 66, I think was my entry. Yes. So yeah, I've entered at 66 at 49.66. The TP1 will be at 49.71, 49.76, and 49.86. The stop loss will be at 49.59. So share this in the group. I just need to put the stop loss and everything into this is my trade, and 5.9 and 7.1. So for the TP1, so this is the trade. If you can see, I've entered, this is the trade. So let me quickly enter the stop loss at 5.976 and 5.986, and I will add the TP levels here on the chart. Just 1 second. Looking very good. 71. I think TP1 is hit. Yes, TP1 is hit. I will move my stops to the entry at 66. So great start. So stop loss at entry, this is mandatory. So to have a risk-free trade and to protect our capital. So we were up 490 pips, now we are up 540. So now the stop loss is at entry. I just need to add these TP levels. So this one was for the TP1 already hit. TP2 is at 76. So for 100 pips, 76. And TP3 is for 200 pips here. And stop loss is at entry. SL at break even. So I think today, so far, this is the first trade that I closed today. Let me see. Yeah, this is the only trade that I have today. And yeah, let's hope we continue going up. If not, I will re-enter somewhere here. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat box. Hello Smith, how are you, brother? And for everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe, because 70% of you guys are not subscribed. And yeah, since I started live streaming, I think 2 months ago, I think, yeah, the growth has been very slow. I'm doing great, thank you. So are we still in the trade? Yes, let's go to the 1 minute. And the stop loss is here at entry. Let's go down a bit and see how this is looking. I think we will be out. So nothing more to do, just wait for the price either to touch the break-even point and consider another entry, or it will continue going up. Where's the music? I think we are out. Not yet. I think we will be out now. Yes. So we are out from this trade. So that means you see how the price is rejecting the EMA. So I will wait for the price to come back here or here to re-enter again. Although I don't like this accumulation here that's happening. So 67, I will consider re-entering at 65 or 66. Of course before the news, because we have 37 minutes left. And these are high impact news. I don't recommend anyone trading these kind of news. So let me see if we will get another entry. Price is shooting up. 40 seconds left for this 5-minute candle to be over. I hope we get to 65 or 66 again, so we can have another entry. But yeah, this is why I moved the stop loss to the entry, so I can have a risk-free trade, so I already made small profits for the TP1, then moved the stop loss to my entry. Then if 50% of the time price shoots straight up to the TP3, and the other 50% of the other 25% of the time price shoots straight to the stop loss and beyond, and another 25% of the time price just touch my stop loss, then at entry, of course, then continue going up. So let's see if we can have another entry. Also, like I told you, don't copy trade me, because this is for educational purposes only. And also this thing that is happening here doesn't look that good. So the price is stuck between here and here now, and I don't know why the chat is so quiet today, although we have many viewers. Make sure to participate in the chat. So yeah, like I told you, and for people who just joined, I've entered here at 66. So my TP is here, and my stop loss, I touched the TP1 at 50 pips at 71. Moved here with this candle. I moved the stop loss to the entry, then the price touched my break-even point, and price is continuing going up now. So this was my previous trade. So now we wait for a new trade. I don't recommend trading the CPI, especially for CFDs, Emmanuel. For people who trade futures, you can't do that because the spreads are not that insane in futures, and you can do, for example, if the price is here, and if you see that the gold price is in this range, you can do something crazy, buy stop here, for example, with the middle of this range, targeting, for example, this high here that the price shoots straight down, or sell stop here after breaking this range. Do the stop loss also exactly at the middle of this range, and aim for something below here. So this is my recommendation for trading the CPI. I don't recommend that, especially for people trading CFDs. That means don't trade futures. But for me, I don't trade CPI. I can enter, for example, I can enter here, for touch the TP1, move my stop loss to the entry. Then when CPI come, I don't have any problem, or I don't need to close the trade, because my stop loss is already at entry. I've already made profits and I have nothing to lose. So this is my thought process. Tim, have your entry on your sale? No, I didn't re-enter. If you can see here, I'm still in drawdown with the Forex trades that I have, the Forex Majors. So I didn't re-enter. I just did this position here to explain to you guys what did happen in the first trade. So now I see I want to enter, but I just need the price to come down at 66 again, hopefully. We are at 68 now. Stefan, hi, I'm on focus. Can I write and think the same time? English is also a little difficult. You can write in German, Stefan, no problem. So yeah, and I just need some engagement from you guys to stay also focused and to not be bored, because a live stream like this, when you guys are quiet and me quiet also, yeah, it's not interesting. So let me see something. Yeah. So, but if gold came to the 80 level, maybe I will start consider selling, but just need an entry here or here at 81, 82, somewhere here above. That's why you see me didn't enter a trade, waiting for a confirmation, and price is moving straight up. Yeah, and thank you everyone for tuning in to today's live stream. Yeah, we have many viewers today. Just make sure please to subscribe and put your notifications bell on to be notified once I go live. I think next time will be Monday. I go live every single weekday, and I trade mainly gold on the live stream, and on my Telegram I trade gold and Forex Majors. So yeah, this is my account. This is the last month history. This is the last 3 months history, with wins and losses, of course, because in trading we win and we lose. Don't expect that you will be winning all the time. So if you are looking for that, this is not the place to be completely transparent with you. Hey Daxton, thoughts on AUD CHF? It's a slow pair. However, CHF CPI came in minus 0.1%, so would appear the AUD is getting stronger against the CHF. So AUD lately is always stronger than any other pairs. If you can see here, AUD is going parabolic, I think, since forever. Yeah, since April, for all, yeah, almost all the pairs. You see AUD NZD, AUD GPY, AUD USD. So AUD is stronger than USD, GPY, NZD, CHF, and CAD. So AUD mostly always a buy. So the price is at 71 now. Let's see. So, and are you guys bothered by the music? I can lower it down. So we have 27 minutes for the news. And my Telegram channel is pinned on the first comment on the chat. So please give us an entry. First, give us an entry. Second, hey Wolnai, how are you, bro? Okay, I will leave the music. So yeah, let me show you the open PNL. That's minus 2,300. Some of you guys can get scared, but yeah, I have no problem having minus 2,000, because like this week I'm up 14,000. This month from the first I'm up 34,000, and from the start of the year, from the 1st of January, So if you can see here, yeah, from the 2nd of January until today, I'm up 100K. So don't have any problem being in small drawdown like $2,000. And this is the account that you can see here is the same account here that I have. This is from the web app of MetaTrader, and this is from the app, the actual app installed on my computer. But the problem with this one, so you can filter, for example, only today, and yeah, but it's a way to see that the account is legit. And fine, what time you planning live stream on Monday? I think the same time. You are in Poland. I think we have the same time zone. 1 p.m. 2 p.m. I always go live at 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. or 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. London time. So I have 2 p.m. now. I think we have the same time zone. So 67, come on, 66. So I've entered, please do not copy trade me, at 66. So let me quickly do the stop losses and everything. 59, 71. So you need to start with the stop loss first, because you will never know what will happen. 59, TP1 will be 76 and TP3 will be 86. That we can change it afterwards to target, for example, 400 pips, 300 pips if I see some strong push in the news. So entry at 66. So yeah, same entry as before. This is the TP, this is the stop loss. We need to go to the TP1 at 50 pips. That means at 71 here, the TP1. Here we have 2 minutes left for this candle to close. 76, this is the TP2 and this is the TP3 at 86. So let's just hope that we get to the TP1 and move my stops to the entry. Come on, come on, come on. This is the position, if you can see. Oh, maybe we'll see some movement in the last 1 minute of this 5-minute candle, as always. Yes, we have the same time zone, yes. So come on, gold, come on. Come on. Entry at 66. Yes, I've entered at 66, as you can see here on these green lines. Yeah, we missed the TP1 by a hairpin. So let's see. Hopefully the price moves on the last 30 seconds maybe or something, but it's moving to the downside now. Yeah, you see how the price is still rejecting this EMA. So that's why I've re-entered. It's a high probability trade, but it's not 100% probability trade. There is no such thing. So we can lose anytime with gold simply shooting straight down. So that's why always risk management. And we have 20 minutes. We still have some times before the news. And guys, please make sure to like the live stream. We are only at 4 likes and no new subscribers. So the correct price and the correct movement is always at the broker side, not on TradingView. Thank you for liking the live stream. Really appreciate that. And now, come on, gold. Come on. We have 30 pips to the TP1. Come on. You see, I don't know what's the problem lately with TradingView. It seems that the price is paralyzed, and when you see, let's go to the 1 minute. Also the same thing. Price doesn't move that much. Come on. Let's get to the TP1 before the news. If the price is still in this zone and we have, for example, 1 minute till the news, I will close manually. Of course, I will not risk that. You know, the best case scenario is we go to the TP1, TP2 before the news, yes, and right after the news I see some strong momentum up, so we can maybe target these high here, or absolute best case scenario is target yesterday highs to have 1100 pips for the TP3. This is the best case scenario for me. So, but now the first step is at least get to the TP1 and secure my trade before the news. Yeah, 50 seconds left. Let's see some strong push to the upside now. Come on. don't like this. I don't like this at all. I don't like this. So when you have enough chart time, you still you start feeling the price, you know. I think you will not understand me here, but like I told you, I was consistently saying that I don't like this. And yeah, where's the price now? I'm thinking about closing at entry because I still don't like this. I think I will close at entry. Yeah. So I closed the trade manually because yeah, I don't like what the price is doing, and we have 13 minutes left for the news. So yeah, I didn't like what the price is doing, and I also noticed that yeah, you can see here, this is a high, this is a lower high, this is, I think it's a lower high too. Maybe price will shoot straight down. You see here we have a lower low and we have another lower low. So the price action looks now like this. And yeah, that's why I've closed the trade manually at entry, because I don't want to risk. I just don't feel the price. That's it. I don't like what the price is doing, especially this zone here, and especially we have two previous lower highs, and I think we printed now a lower high also. That's why I did exit from the trade. That happens rarely for me to exit a trade manually, but yeah, when I simply don't feel the price, I simply go out from the trade. As you can see, we would have been in a drawdown if I didn't exit. And my plan was to touch TP1, move the stop loss to the entry before the news. I don't want to be in drawdown in the news because the stop loss will be touched in no time. I think it was the right call. What do you think, guys? Please answer me and tell me if you are still in. 10 minutes till the news. Great. So like I told you, when you have enough chart time, you still, and exactly with pairs like gold, you feel how gold is moving. Every day you see gold, every day you see gold for the last, I think now 7 years. So you still, you start knowing and feeling how the gold is reacting to certain, how the price is moving. Yeah, because I've entered right here, we missed, the position is gone. I've entered right here, we missed the TP1 by, let me see, I've entered at 66 here. I've entered here, exactly here. Let me see, can I, I've entered here at 66. My entry, my TP1 was at 71. Here I see that the price missed my TP1 by a hairpin. Then I see that the candles are printing, are going down. Almost every single candle, 1 minute candle, is bearish. That's why I've exited the trade. So it was a nice call. Yes, you need to minimize the losses, because I don't mind losing this trade, but I don't like losing too. So it's better to conserve my wins. And have more wins at the end and continue growing my account. Like I told you, this is the plan. You can see. So the lower high, I think the next one would be here. But now since we have the news, price can simply do something like this or do something like this. Don't know. Depends on the number that they will give. We have 7 minutes till the news. I'm thinking about doing something crazy. I will not share it in the group. I will not. Please, don't copy trade it. I'm thinking about selling right before the news with a smaller lot size than usual that I use. So I will not share this in my Telegram, of course, and will not encourage anyone doing that. We'll be using a smaller lot size. So I will use 2.5 and sell at, I've entered at 67, I think. 67. So my stop loss would be, I think, here at 120 or 100. I don't know. So my stop loss will be at 70 pips. So I told you I would do something crazy. I've entered at 67. The stop loss will be at 74. And 74. So this is 70 pips stop loss. So let's see. The TP1 67, the TP1 will be at 62, the TP2 will be at 57, and TP3 I will leave it open. So this is how my trade looks. So TP1 at 62, and we have 5 minutes till the news. TP2 at 57, and TP3 is open. But I really need the TP1 touched before the news. So we have 3 minutes left. So, and this is how my trade looks. Let me quickly remove this. And come on, at least get to my TP1 so I can move the stop loss to the entry. And like I told you, don't copy trade me with this one. This has a 90% chance of losing. That's why you see me here using a smaller lot size. So we have 3 minutes till the news. Price keep pushing up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Price still pushing up. Buyers are still pushing price up. 3 minutes. 2 minutes. I will close this at entry. So yeah, I didn't lose anything, I believe. Yeah, yes, I won $47. So now let's wait for the news and see what will happen. Let's open. Mm, 1 minute left. See, I cannot stay in the trade 1 minute before the CPI and the price is here. At least the price needs to be here. So the plan now is wait for the crazy stuff, the first 5 minutes, then find the new entry. So let me quickly remove this and let's watch. Yeah, we have 19 seconds left. No. Yeah, the problem with the news is not the direction. The problem with the news is the spread that you can see right here. Look, and the volatility. That means if you are in a sell, for example, like this, Yeah, above the high, price can simply go shoot up, then go down. So this is the problem with the news. So 2.4, so that means I think gold will go up. Yeah, I told you. Because 2.4 is bad for the USD. So that means people will go to gold. As easy as this. Yeah, this is extremely, yeah, no. You see the CPI is 2.4 negative, so that means US is getting weaker and weaker USD. That means the gold will go stronger and stronger. That's not a gamble. So it's obvious, you know. So let's see the higher time frame. Let me remove all of this. So we are approaching this EMA. Let's see Nasdaq moving in the same direction, both. See Bitcoin. What about oil? Silver is the same as gold, of course. So let me check my other trades that I have. Here DCAD. Here DNZD still in drawdown. GBPCAD, yeah. Break even hit in ZDUSD. Nothing interesting. Also the news weren't that violent, because sometimes when we have CPI you can see movements like this, you know. For now price barely moved. But this is not your strategy. Yep, you're talking about the CPI number and the fact that it will go up, and I don't understand, won't I? Big rejection of this EMA. But even if I sell here, I need to use 200 or 250 or even 300 pips stop loss. Let's wait. No, I don't play with the news that often. I see on Instagram some reels from people full porting the CPI. I don't do that. Also, this, yeah, it didn't move the price that much. So, like I was saying before, so if I was going to do that, so let's say the gold price is in this range, so my strategy will be buy stop here, sell stop down, and sell stop here. So after breaking this, yeah, will look something like this, and price didn't do that yet, so it was not huge. Now let's see if we can find an entry. There is a potential entry here, but it's risky. So this is the entry that I'm talking about. Let's see. Maybe targeting this middle of the range. So the entry, let's say, was at 95, so TP1 will be hit, stop loss at entry. So nothing interesting in today's live stream, no big profits, nothing. You see, yeah, I'm up to $257. I won the TP1 here on the first trade. Then with all the manual closes with commissions and everything, that did go down to $200. Maybe I will enter at 95 if the price come back to that level. Because there is a huge imbalance here. Price needs to go down to fulfill these orders down below. I just need the price to go up a bit so we can have a good entry. Yes, maybe we need to see the price, because I will not do a sell limit here. Maybe the price will shoot straight up and we get stopped out. So hopefully I see some other rejection of this wick here or this EMA and we can enter. But now let's wait. So this candle has 40 seconds to close. And we are up this week on premium, like we counted together 540 pips. I will not add other trades on premium. The trade, this one will be on me only. So we are live since 1 hour now, yeah. And guys, please make sure to like the live stream and subscribe. Come on, at least get to the 95 level. It's extremely sunny today. So, and how much I'm up this week? You remember? 13. So I think it's enough for this week, guys. CPI on Friday, price, you see how is reacting. So if we go in, if the price came back to here, we go in, then shoot straight up, we'll have another loss. So yeah, I think that's it for this week, guys. Was not an easy week and not a hard week. So yeah, I made 540 pips. So great. So thanks so much for attending this live stream today, and let's meet on Monday for another live stream, another week full of profits like always. And yeah, please don't forget to join my Telegram. It's the first link in the description and also pinned on the chat box. Thank you very much, guys.